Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be doing words that ask questions in Sotho. Mang. Mang. Mang means who. Hokae. Hokae. Hokae means where. Babakai. Babakai. Babakai means how many. Zhuang. Zhuang. Zhuang means how. Ying. Ying. Ying means what. Ning. Ning. Ning means when. Hubaning. Hubaning. Hubaning means why. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right down below.